Happy Wellness Wednesday. This is Jackie, a Natural Health Nomad, with your Wellness Wednesday tip for today. So do you know how important vitamin C is? Vitamin C is so important. I never knew that vitamin C did more than help your immune system. Did you know that it also helps with your building of collagen so that you can have good skin? It also helps with a whole bunch of stuff. But we're not talking about that today. What we're talking about is what I just learned from Dr. Berg, B-E-R-G, on YouTube, that it can help you get rid of plaque and tartar from your teeth and help your gums and everything for oral health. So I'm like, okay, well, let's get cooking and make ourselves this formula that Dr. Berg put on his YouTube. And we're going to do that now. All right, so his formula for getting rid of plaque and having healthier gums and everything is, first you need a 1/2 cup of warm water. To your warm water, you're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. To the baking soda, you're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of 3% hydrogen peroxide. You get, this is regular hydrogen peroxide you get at any store. This one is from Walmart. You only need a 1/4 teaspoon, 3%. Then you need to add the main ingredient, which would be ascorbic acid, vitamin C, non-GMO. Ascorbic acid, vitamin C powder. You need a 1/4 teaspoon of this. And then that's it. Now he suggested that you add maybe some essential oil, so I'm going to put peppermint in it. But you don't have to do anything. You can leave it the way it is. He suggests that you use this concoction once a day. And rinse, spit it out. Oh, once a day, you brush your teeth with it. You use your toothbrush, you brush your teeth with this liquid. And then you spit it out. And then you rinse your mouth after. And he says that this will help get rid of the extra bacteria that causes biofilm, that causes you to have plaque and tartar. So, Dr. Berg on YouTube, this is his recipe to help get rid of plaque and tartar. And it is something that you can do yourself to have a healthier mouth. All right, you guys have a blessed day.